We are going on another little mummy daddy quick little trip. It is nice, obviously, having a classic Chanel bag, but I got it for a great price. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Makeup Monday. I am here today with kind of a combination for both Fashion Friday and Makeup Monday for you, and it's a what's in my bag. And I thought I would make it a little fun since this is the first one I'm doing for 2020, so I thought I would do a what's in my bag plus what's in my makeup bag. So it's both in today's video, which I'm really excited about, and these are two items that are new, and I'm really excited because you haven't seen me do a what's in my bag for this specific bag I just got. So if you want to see more videos like this, definitely give it a thumbs up and let's get started. Okay, so I have my bag right here, and then I also have my makeup bag that I went and filled up. So this is everything that I would carry, and these are actually both new pieces. You would have seen this in my Christmas haul, like what I got for Christmas. So really excited. I actually haven't stuffed this bag as much as I did today. So I was actually very excited how much actually fits into this bag. And I did actually go make myself a coffee, and I'm gonna be very in-depth on everything that I got in here. I will link everything down below as well. I actually have found this bag on a few pre-love sites, so I will link that for you guys. Okay, so let's start off with the bag first. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions on this particular bag. So this is the Chanel Le Boy, and my most recent purchase, and it's pretty funny because I think I've always loved the classic bags a lot more than the Boy, which is why I've never bought one, but something just told me to try something different, and I love this bag so much. I love the CC, the bag logo right here. So this is actually pretty neat. All you have to do is press these two buttons and it opens up. So I really like that. And then also something I didn't notice before, it actually has another little Chanel logo right here. And then of course the chunky gold chain I really like. I have always liked really chunky chains, and I just think this is such a unique and different bag compared to all the bags that I already have in my collection. So that is why I thought it'd be the perfect bag to do for today's video. So I'm going to share with you guys everything that I have inside, and I was pretty shocked actually on how much I could fit. So this is what it looks like. It is a little bit stuffed because I do have my sunglasses in here, but just to show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so I just had to change up the angle so you guys can see what's in the bag a little bit closer and better. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. This is everything I have in here right now. The only thing, like I said, that was kind of hard were these sunglasses. So these right here, these are my Ray-Bans, and I actually got these off Nordstrom Rack. I love them. They're so nice, and I got them on sale. So that's what they look like. And yeah, I usually will have these in my handbag. And then the other thing I have at all times is hand lotion. So I do have this one here. It is from Christmas, so it's the spiced gingerbread from Bath and Body, and these I think are just a few dollars, so I like grabbing these because they're nice and small. So yeah, I have that too. And then the next thing I have here, so this is actually my change purse, but I don't actually carry change in it, but I will carry cash if I have cash, so I just leave it right in this little slip. You can also put like change in here, and then you can put cards, receipts, anything like that. You could probably use this as a wallet if you wanted to, and then it's nice because it has a little keychain right here, so if you wanted to put your keys on it as well, you could always do that. And then this is the Louis Vuitton Rose Ballerine, and I love this print so much. You already know I have the bag and also the matching like wallet on chain, and it's like one of my favorite designs that they've ever done, so I think this is I want to say the second high-end piece I've ever bought. So it is in really great condition and I love using it. So I have that, and then the next thing I have right here, so this is actually my passport case and it's really cute. I got it from Indigo. It says I'm out of here and it's by the brand Bandeau, and I just have my passport in here, Canadian. And then the next few things, so this actually couldn't fit into my makeup bag because I have that thing stuffed right now. So these are just my mini brushes and they haven't launched yet, but I have been using them. I like to try things out a lot before I actually launch something, so I'm so excited for these. They are so cute, little baby brushes, so pink and white and then rose gold. So these are really, really pretty. I just wanted to quickly show you guys these as well. And I usually travel with like a powder brush and then like a blusher brush, but I always have an all over face powder brush because my face gets really oily and I look really tired this morning. So yeah, powder is the way to go for me. And also tampon. I have one at all times because I always get my period unexpectedly and always forget a tampon. So this is just something that I've learned to always carry no matter what. So I have this in my bag at all times, just in case. And then the other thing, this is actually empty, but this is something that I always carry. I actually just left it in my car, but mints. So these are my favorite ones, the Excel, and that is just something I'll always have. The other ones that I've bought are the Starbucks ones, but they're more expensive, so I don't buy them all the time. And then the other thing I have in here, so I'm a really big lip balm lover. I have usually a few in my bag at all times because my lips get so dry during the winter months, and I know it's January, but it's still cold here. It's actually snowing, so I definitely always have one of these on me at all times. So this is the Sugar Lip Treatment, and I love it by Fresh. It is so nice. It smells so like natural and lemony, and I really like it. I'm actually almost out. That's all I have. So I've used it up, but like I said, I love it. So I'm gonna get another tube once I run out. And then down here I have another lip balm. So this is the Pat McGrath. It came with a lipstick, or no, three. So it was a trio set that I got. And it has little lips on it, super cute. This is like the nicest packaging I've seen for lipsticks. So that's what it looks like right there. It's just a nice little mini one. So when I run out of the Fresh, I'll use this one up and then I'll buy another one. But yeah, that's what that one looks like. And I'm gonna have a sip of coffee before it gets cold. And then my wallet. And if you can see here, this is actually the matching wallet from the Boy. So this was the only Boy item that I had, and it wasn't a handbag. It was clearly just a small leather good. So this I actually got off FASHIONPHILE, I want to say like 6 months ago or something around that, but I got it for a great price. They do have a lot of wallets I've seen in the Boy collection, so I will link the ones I can find down below for you. So just to show you guys, I don't have my cards in here because don't want to show that, but this is the space you have on the inside. So it actually has 3 separate little areas. You can put your cards, which is great, receipts if you need to, but I really love this color. It's a really beautiful like rosy pink. That's what it looks like there. And like I said, I'm in love with this little logo that they've done. It's just so neat, and I love that these match, so I wanted to have the matching wallet in here. And this is a great size. Look how small and petite it is. So it's the perfect size. It's not a super large wallet, which I don't even think would be able to fit in here with all the other stuff that I carry. It just made a lot more sense for me to have a small wallet inside of this handbag. So yeah, that is just the perfect wallet to carry in here. I have seen this actually in black on the FASHIONPHILE site, so that's also a really nice color you could get. I haven't seen beige yet. It's a little bit harder to find, but yeah. Okay, and the next thing that I have in here, just 2 things actually, and we are done. So I have an elastic, and these are my favorite kind. They don't pull on my hair, so you can actually get these from Sephora in little trios. So I do have one of these just in case I have to put my hair back, and then also I just have my car keys. So I said this in like I think my last what's in my bag, but I was planning on getting the Louis Vuitton thing or key holder. So I still haven't decided if I want to get that yet, but I'm just really worried about keys scratching the inside of my bag, which is why they're not in there. So I think I have to get something, but that is everything that I have in this right here. So I think that was actually quite a bit of stuff. So I mean, passport case, wallet, change purse, and a ton of other things fit in here, which I was really excited about. So it is quite large. I'm happy everything fit. And then the other thing that I have right here, So this is also new. I got this when I got my bag, and this is a little Chanel makeup bag, and it's so cute actually. I actually like it more when it has makeup in here, and it just looks really cute and puffy. I like it. So I'll try to find one or similar one down below. I did get this pre-loved, so they are a little bit harder to find. And I'm gonna show you everything that I have in here. So quite a bit of stuff actually fit in this bag. I was quite surprised, and the inside is light pink as well. You guys can see there. So I do have, at all times, like I said, I get very oily, so I do like to carry a Chanel powder. So this one is the BEIGE in the number 30. So that's what that looks like there. Next thing I have in here, of course, is my little Jo Malone fragrance. I just love these so much, and I actually got these for free when I bought the full-size fragrance on their website, so they do that a lot. So right here, this is the Peony and Blush Suede, and I love it. I mean, it takes forever to go through one of these because you only use like 1 or 2 sprays. It's so potent and strong. I've always said that if you haven't tried them, so they do last on the skin forever, but I do like carrying one in my makeup bag, and not like a big one. That's the perfect size. Right here, I also have my little Jouer blush duo. So blush is also something that I'll add throughout the day. I am wearing this blush right now on my skin, this light one. So this is my favorite blush right now. I am so obsessed with this color, and it just looks like that flush pink, and I love it so much. And it's really, really pretty and natural. It looks very natural. So I have that, and then the other thing I have right here is the Patrick Ta She's Humble lip liner. So that's what I'm wearing right now. I've been obsessed. This is my second one, and I think this is around like $21, $22, which is a great price for a lip liner. And like I said, it's so hard to find that really beautiful nude that's not too dark and deep. So that is like my perfect nude. It goes perfectly with my lipstick, which I'll show you guys in a second. The next thing I have here is the Patrick Ta lip gloss. So this right here is the She's an Influencer, and look at his packaging. I'm always buying his stuff. I really like his products. So it started all after I bought the Body Glow. After I went to Sephora and bought that, I was like, hey, I want to try the rest of his line, and I really ended up liking it. And I didn't actually know who Patrick Ta was before I bought his line, so I know he's a like celebrity makeup artist, but I have been like following him now, which is awesome. So I really do love his line. It's beautiful. Beautiful pieces he has. So I have that. I also have another little lip balm, Sugar. You know I love their lip balm. So this is the Advanced Therapy one. I actually got this in a Christmas set. So that's what it looks like, just a small little one. And then the other 3 items I have right here are my Too Faced Strip Search lipstick, which I have on my lips right now. And I want to say I've bought this lipstick 100 times over and over and over again, and it's just that perfect nude, and I always wear it. And then this one I want to try out actually. So these are the Anastasia liquid lipsticks. This is in the color Sand, so I just thought this would be like a nice nude to try out, something different, and I got this in a set actually for Christmas. Last thing I have here, I'm actually wearing my Beauty Code lashes right now, which I love. I've already talked about them. They are beautiful, so I'll leave a link down below. But the House of Lashes lash glue is unbelievable, you guys, if you have not tried it. I have had no issues with my lashes since buying this, and I feel like it dries so fast. It actually sticks really well compared to the Duo lash glue. So highly recommend it. I have it at all times just in case, you know, because if a lash comes off, then I have to take them off if I don't have my glue. So I've learned that the hard way, so I always have that on me. But honestly, very surprised how much fit into this little makeup bag right here. So I'll try to find ones that are similar with this size, because I think this is the perfect makeup bag size. It's not too big, not too small. It fits all of my necessities, stuff that I actually use throughout the day, and it's also not taking up too much space, which is great. It won't fit in here when I have this stuffed, of course, but this is actually going to go into my other travel bag. So if you guys didn't know, I have a video coming up next that's going to be a pack with me while answering all of your assumptions that I did on my Insta stories. So I thought that would be really fun and just like different to do in vlog style. So that is coming up next because I'm packing. We are going on another little mommy daddy quick little trip. So that is why I thought this would be perfect to actually get my bags ready, get my handbag ready, get my, you know, my suitcase ready and everything like that, and then also my makeup bag. So I thought this was so fun to do, and I feel like I'm actually surprised on how much fit into my bag. So I'm really happy about that. And I have to say the quality of the LeBoy, I just love like the structure of the bag, and it's just so different and unique. So it is nice, obviously, having a classic Chanel bag, and those will always be my favorite, but this really is up there as well because I think it's so different and unique. Okay, so I have made a mess. I have to repack it now, but I just wanted to show you guys the color of this wallet up close, and it really is a different kind of pink, and it's very rosy. I actually have fallen in love with this color so much now, and it's just so different. And then this is a really pale pink if you look at the color here, the color difference. And this of course is beige, and then everything else I have out right here that I went through with you guys, and just so many things. I'm very surprised and happy how much fit. Okay, so that was what was inside my LeBoy bag, and I could actually fit more than I thought I would be able to. And then also the new little makeup Chanel bag that I got. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will leave links down below on the 2 items, and if you want to see more videos like this for the new year, definitely give it a thumbs up to let me know. I'll do more for you. And any video recommendations, definitely leave down in the comments. I have a lot of ideas coming, but I wanted to get the big ones since it was the new year. I haven't been so excited to do these videos, and I'm just really excited for bringing you guys new content for the new year. So if you want to see something else, definitely let me know, and I have lots of videos planned, as I said, but I will see you guys in my next video.